Hello there, beautiful ladies. Thank you so very much for clicking to watch this amazing video. Right now you will find new braided cornrows for women hairstyles. For this season, you're sure to find beautiful goddess braids hairstyle ideas, so many unique and amazing well-designed braids look, lovely braided hairstyle finishing. You can definitely see how lovely and amazing these hairstyles are. You see variations of views, talk about back, side and front views of most of the hairstyles you come across. Very unique and well-designed hairstyles. These hairstylists are absolutely creative and talented. You need not fret with any of the styles you decide to go for, because it's definitely going to give you a great look, a unique look for you to stand out and look really beautiful. We know these hairstyles all look the same, but of course there's always something underlining to give it a different look and feel, which is why we try as much as possible to bring hairstyles forward for you. Always to know that these hairstyles come with variations of ways it is done, just so that you know that, and of course go out there and try it as well. So let us know on the comment section what you feel or how you feel about this amazing video. You want to see more of these hairstyle looks, let us know in the comment section. You want to share the video with friends and family, go right ahead, and of course leave us a like. It goes a long way to telling us that there's something we're doing right on this platform and you are encouraging us absolutely. So keep coming back for more, keep coming back for more. Subscribe again if you're yet to. Till tomorrow, you take care and bye.